Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create a game pass in Please Donate Roblox. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna open your Roblox account using your web browser, and from there, what you're gonna do is head on over to the upper left side of the web page where you can see Create. Now once you locate Create, just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you're gonna see that you have been redirected to the Creator Hub of Roblox. Once you do that, you're gonna look at the left side of the web page and then click on Creations. Now once you click on Creations, you will see here your experiences. By default, you will have this one experience which is in public, named your username and the word place. So as you can see here, we have honeycombs, which is my username or game name, place. Now what you're gonna do is select from any of your experiences where you want your game pass to appear. For this demonstration, I'm just gonna select this one. And from here, what we're gonna do is look at the left side of the page or of the screen, and from here we're gonna scroll down until we see monetization. Now in monetization, what you're gonna see are the following, and here you will see passes. Just click on passes. Now as you can see here, I haven't created any passes yet. Now what we're gonna do next is click on create a pass, and from here what we're gonna do is set a photo for our pass, set a name and a description. So go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna name this Please Donate. As you can see, there is a character limit, so be aware of the character limit. And in the description, I'm just gonna put a random word. But what we're gonna do is you're gonna most likely want to describe your pass. The description also has a character limit. Now what we're gonna do is upload an image for our pass. Just click on change and make sure that the image that you want to set is in the following format. And as you can see, we have set our Game Pass image, name and description. Now be mindful, passes let you create special items that can only be bought once per player using Robux. Now once we're done with that, what we're gonna do is click on create pass. Okay, so as you can see here in our experience, which is the game Honeycombs Place, we have created one pass which is called Please Donate. As you can see, the image that we have uploaded is still loading. Now it doesn't end there. What we're gonna do next is go back to experiences, and from here what we're gonna do is hover the mouse to this game or experience that we have created the game pass in, and then we're gonna click on the three dots over here, and from here what we're gonna do is select make public. As you can see, by default it is public. Just make sure that the experience that you created a game pass in is in public so that other players can see it and eventually will be able to purchase the game pass that you created. Once you've changed your experience or your game to public, you will be able to see your game pass. And that is how to create a game pass in Please Donate Roblox. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.